Hey tech lovers, welcome back, your go-to spot for the latest in smartphones and gadgets. Today we've got something super exciting for you, a deep dive into Oppo's newest flagship, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. This phone isn't just premium, it's a powerhouse packed with next-gen features. So let's jump right in. First up, the display. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra sports a massive 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a resolution of 440 by 3168 pixels. It's silky smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate and can get insanely bright, peaking at 4500 nits. Perfect for use even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering top-tier performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just scrolling through your socials. Memory-wise, it comes in configurations of up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a whopping 1 terabytes of internal storage, so you'll never run out of space or speed. Now let's talk cameras, and this is where it gets really exciting. On the back, you've got a quad 50 megapixel setup, including a 1-inch wide sensor for incredible detail and low-light shots, 2 periscope telephoto lenses with 3x and 6x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide lens for capturing epic landscapes. Plus, the 32 megapixel front camera ensures your selfies look stunning every time. Battery life? No worries here. The X8 Ultra packs a 6,100 mAh battery, and it charges fast. We're talking 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. So even if you run out, you'll be back at full power in no time. Design-wise, it's super sleek with just an 8.78mm thickness, and it's durable too, rated IP68 and IP69 for dust and water resistance. Bonus features include a haptic shutter button for precise zoom control while shooting, and a customizable shortcut button for your favorite apps or actions. So there you have it. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the best flagships of 2025. Sleek, powerful, and packed with camera wizardry, it's definitely a phone to keep an eye on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. And let me know in the comments, would you buy the Find X8 Ultra if it comes to your country? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay techy and stay awesome.